Okay, this is the C3000 Plus. Let's open it by turning left this knob. And this device has 3 working modes. The original one is the frequency contouring. And under this mode, there are 2 frequency ranges. The first one is 3000 MHz, and the second one is 500 MHz. And you can switch it by turn up or down this navigation button. Okay, let's try the 500 MHz at first. And before you use this device, you should turn this knob a little to adjust the sensitivity. And when the light before this button is off, which means the device is ready to work. Okay, as you can see, there is a remote controller, and you want to know the exact frequency of it. So let's press it to send out a signal and put it as close as possible to the antennas. As you can see, the screen displays a frequency now, and then you can press this button to hold the frequency so as you can record it. And on this mode, you could turn this navigation button left or right to choose sound, vibration, or sound and vibration at the same time, or silent mode. Okay, this is the first frequency contouring mode. And then the second one is cell phone signal detecting. And you can long press this button to switch it. Okay, as you can see, under this mode, there are several cell phone bands like LTE 800, GSM 900, and so on this screen. And let's make a call by your cell phone. And put it also as close as possible to the antenna. And as you can see, the screen shows many signal bars at each cell phone bands. And where there are more signal bars, like GSM 900, which means the certain signal band is the strongest. Okay, this is the second working mode, and it is the same with the first mode. You can also adjust this button, turn left or right to change the working mode. Okay, let's long press again for 2 seconds to switch to the third working mode. That is wideband mode. And at this mode, you can also adjust the sensitivity by turn up or down this button, and 20 levels in total. You can adjust the sensitivity. Okay, let's take the remote controller as an example. When you press this to send out signals, and will be full. The signal bars will be full. Okay, this is the third working mode, wideband mode, and all the 3 working modes are all